Hey, hi friends. So friends, in this video we will going to discuss what will be the price for installing a PVC false ceiling, and I will tell you some advantages of a PVC false ceiling. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. A PVC false ceiling calls a polyvinyl chloride which offers the several advantages making them a popular choice for modern interiors. Like first one is durability. PVC ceilings are resistant to moisture, termites and corrosion, making them ideal for use any of our living room, bedrooms, even you can use in a kitchens. Another advantages of its lightweight. So PVC panels are lightweight, making them easy to handle, transport and easy to install. PVC ceilings are generally more affordable than wood and metal or gypsum because both in material cost and installation. So friends, let me discuss what will be the price for installing a PVC false ceiling. So friends, there you can see there are the beautiful designs. So if you want to make this type of designs, it almost cost 120 rupees per square feet. So let's we take some example. If you want to make like 10 by 12 ceiling area, so then the area is 120 square feet, and if you calculate with the 120 rupees per square feet price, it almost cost 14,400 rupees. It is everything inclusive materials, labor cost and adhesives. Actually the price of PVC ceiling start from 70 rupees per square feet, and it ranges from 120 rupees per square feet. It depends on the complexity of designs, thickness and the finish. Basic plain panels are more affordable, while designer panels with attractive patterns or coatings may cost more. So you can select as per your budget. The price may be vary based on brand, supplier and the location. It is also essential to account for installation and any additional materials. So friends, if you want more details you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. Nowadays PVC false ceiling has become the popular choice because it is easy and quick installation. It is completely waterproof, making them ideal for damp environment. But my suggestion is don't install in the kitchen because it is non-fireproof, because it can catch the fire in the kitchen. But while installing a PVC false ceiling, you have to consider some important points like room suitability. PVC is suitable for areas prone to moisture and it is water resistant. Also measure the room height. A false ceiling reduces the height of the room, so ensure it doesn't make the space feel cramped, especially in the low ceiling rooms. Another one is the PVC ceilings comes in various designs, colors and finish. So always choose one that complements your interior decor, and always plan for recessed lights, LED strips or fans, as PVC allows for easy integration. PVC panels are lightweight, but ensure the existing ceiling structure can support the framework used for installation. Framework material: use a durable framework, usually aluminum or metal, to hold the PVC panel securely. So the framework must be precisely level to avoid a crooked appearance. PVC panels are low maintenance and easy to clean with a damp cloth. Be mindful of sharp objects as PVC can scratch easily. So always select the high quality PVC materials because high quality PVC is durable and resistant to mold, termites and decay. PVC is relatively affordable, but ensure it fits with in your budget, including labor and material cost. So hire always a professional, ensure proper installation and reduce the risk of issues later. PVC may not provide adequate soundproofing. So if acoustic insulation is required, add extra layers or choose another materials. So always do the proper planning, and professional guidance can help you make the most of your PVC false ceiling installation. So friends, if you want more details, you can contact through my mail ID. You have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I will say that I can give all your answers. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you like my videos, then please like, share this video. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting our channel. Thank you for watching.